In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Explorer tool on the Equinix marketplace. This Explorer tool is used to find information about our IBX data centers and Equinix locations and understand how they connect with each other. So once you're logged into the marketplace, you can get there either by clicking on Explorer directly on the homepage, or if you hover over Discover, you can also access it right here and clicking on Explorer. So this is what it looks like. The first thing you'd see is this map, and all the red points here represent different Equinix locations. And to zoom in on a particular location, you can either click on the red points, or as you saw earlier, you can click on this Equinix metros. So let's say that you were interested in looking at the data centers in Silicon Valley. You go ahead and click on Silicon Valley, and it will take you to this map right here, which shows where all of the data centers are located. And then if you hover over any of them, you can see there's an option to see the address of the data center if you need to verify that, or there's this Get IBX Specifications. This pulls up a PDF of information about that particular data center. So for example, I clicked on SV4, so that's what it's showing me here with this PDF. And then if you wanted to get a better visual of how these different data centers connect with each other, you can click on this diagram view right here. So this is showing all the different data centers and their different connections to each other. If you hover over a particular one, like SV1, for example, you can see how SV1 connects to all of the other data centers within Silicon Valley. So for example, according to this key, to go from SV1 to SV2, you would need a Metro Connect. To go from SV1 to SV11, you would need a Campus Cross Connect. So if you're trying to figure out what cross connect product is needed to go between two data centers, you can look at it right here on this Explorer tool and then place the order for the correct one on the portal. And then you can also share this map right here with either a link or an email. There's also this Equinix product availability chart, which, as the name suggests, shows our different Equinix products and then where they're available, whether it's at the entire metro level or at the IBX data center level. So you can use this to verify what products are available where. And then the second portion of this Explorer tool is this IBX connection check. So let's say that you don't need to see the entire Silicon Valley metro and you're just interested in looking at how SV2 connects to SV4, for example, because maybe you're in SV2 and a company you want to connect to is in SV4. So you could go ahead and click that right here, put the origin and destination, and then this shows you that you would need a Metro Connect to go between these two data centers, and that Fabric is available as a virtual connection option. That concludes this demo. Thank you for watching.